Many residents in Brooklyn Park are worried about the new federal refugee policy.
And today, the city released a statement and tried to clear up some confusion. Sonia Goins has more.
Brooklyn Park residents come from many different ethnic groups and religions. In fact, 20% of the population was born outside of the United States. Some of those folks have concerns and questions surrounding President Trump's new immigration and refugee policy, which temporarily bans people from 7 mostly Muslim countries from entering the United States.
We know there's lots of questions, there's lots of fear.
Mayor Jeff Lunde says his phones have been ringing off the hook from residents wanting to know more.
We have not declared ourselves a sanctuary city, but we do have some policies.
You may not realize Brooklyn Park has had an immigration policy in place for over a year. It mostly focuses on what the city can and cannot do when it comes to immigration.
The police department does not enforce federal law. We don't enforce immigration policy.
But police will make arrests if they've got probable cause.
So if we pulled over someone, for example, and they had 5 passports, 1 picture, that driver, and 5 different names, and they had plans to blow up the FBI building at Brooklyn Center. This is an extreme example, but it's a good example. We're going to contact the federal government.
People are scared about what does this mean for them.
Abdullah Kiatamba is president of the African Immigrant Services in Brooklyn Park. He says his phones have been busy too.
People begin thinking about legal status, police pulling you over, what is the implication for all of this? All of this together, combined, send a doomsday picture and scare a lot of people.
Brooklyn Park also has a large Muslim population. Some are concerned about backlash.
The ban itself gives license to those who believe in the anti-immigrant bias, xenophobia, allow them to feel validated, allow them to feel approved, authorized to do it openly.
On Thursday, community leaders will meet at Brooklyn Park City Hall to talk about the immigration ban and the impact it's having on the community. They'll also discuss how to respond should the situation change. In Brooklyn Park, Sonia Goins, CCX News.
Both the city and African Immigration Services has a list of immigration lawyers who can help residents for free. They say they don't want people getting scammed, nor do they want them relying on social media sites for information.